Fix Snapchat filter not working on Snapchat. Today guys, I have the correct way how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. First guys, you will just go to settings of your phone and you will open it. Then you will go to apps, you will open apps and you will scroll down the screen and you will search for Snapchat. And guys, when you found Snapchat here, you will open it and then you will go to storage and you will click here clear data, then click OK, then you will back and click on force stop here, and then why not to go to Play Store and update Snapchat again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another videos.